thing is becoming too much. You know that money I gave to you, this is customers' money. I gave it to you because of the situation that was on ground. You see me now?
I know. Well, just give me more time.
I'll give you more time. Listen, 3 customers are on my leg. They want to collect this money tomorrow. Will I go and tell them that they should give me more time? Now you sending me a guy now. Give me this money.
I'll pay. Oh, I'll pay.
Listen. If I come back here tomorrow and you don't give me that money, I am going to. In short, you see, you are going to see what I'm going to do to you.
Sorry, but please, I'm looking for waiting to have results. When I get to the end of the road, do I turn left or I turn right?
Do I look like Google Map? Eh? Hey, Google Map.
Sorry, you calm down. We're not fighting. You don't have to be rude.
I'm sorry. I'm just having a bad day.
It's okay. We all have bad days sometimes. Just that some of us don't transfer it.
It's fine. Like I said, I'm sorry. Okay.
So, the wait on the car reset.
Uh, by the left. Once you get there, it's on your left. All right.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right.
By the way, I'm Amanda.
My name is Jared.
Nice to meet you.
Jared. By the way, you're beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Right.
And try not to have a bad day. It's not worth it.
I'll try.
All right. Bye.
Bye. Don't fire you. Hey,
Papa.
good afternoon, sir.
Hello, Gerard, how are you?
I'm okay. I'm fine. Thank you, man.
Good, very good.
Okay. So, Papa, have you heard from Mike recently?
Yeah, of course, I'll be talking. I'll be calling too. How that your friend is doing very, very great.
Wow.
Yes, this is one of the buildings putting up.
Glory be to God. Wow. So, is he coming back soon?
Of course. We come very soon and
Okay.
please, when he comes back, tell him to call me. Because I think he is no longer using the old phone number because I've been calling him and it hasn't been going through. Please, Onata, tell him to call me. There's no problem.
Okay, sir.
I will tell him to call you. As soon as I get on, you call him and he will call you.
All right, sir.
How is your father?
Well, no, yeah. It's okay.
Tell your father I will come later and see him.
Okay. Thank you, Papa. No problem. Thank you, sir.
Sure.
Papa.
What is it?
Papa, you're not taking your breakfast.
No, I'm okay. Just eat your breakfast, please. I'm fine.
Eh. Okay.
Papa, did you see Uncle Gerard when he went to their house?
Yes, did you see him?
No, I did not. And I don't want any further questions. Just eat your breakfast. Eat your breakfast. I'm fine.
Papa, are you okay?
Yes, I'm alright.
But you don't look okay. You look like something is disturbing you. Like something is bothering you.
Oh! You children should leave me alone! What is it? I don't want any further question from any of you. Do you know what I'm sitting down here thinking? Leave me alone.
You talk too much. Now you've made Papa angry.
Were you not talking?
Were you not talking? Are you talking to me like that? You just ease at me. We're not met though. Is it because we are writing Waye together? How is your business? If you talk to me like that, I'll pour.
Hey! You both have started again, Abi. You have both started again, Abi. You want to pour your sister the tea. The tea that I used the last money in my pocket to buy for you girls. Now you want to pour it on her. Go ahead and pour it. Go ahead and pour it on her. Do you even know how much a sachet of that tea cost? Do you know? You don't. Or you think I packed sand and then I converted into tea for you girls? You want to damage her face for me? Then you'll be carrying her all over the market to beg for money. Is that what you want? Go ahead and pour it on her. Foolish girl. I can't think. I can't even concentrate. You guys want to kill me?
Shebi, you have seen what you call. Shebi, you have seen. Talk to me anyhow again. Whether I'm not pour you tea. What's your problem?
There's no possible link here. We're still investigating the matter. If anything comes up, I'll let you know.
Officer Ken, for the past 3 months, policemen have been on this case. They couldn't get my brother's killer. Now my anger here is that the killer is still out there walking freely. You're telling me to hold on?
The problem here is that no one saw anyone going into the house or coming in from that house that night.
So you are not telling me that a ghost went into the house, killed my brother and his girlfriend?
See, Mr. Ken, don't worry. Let the police do the job. We'll crack this case. I assure you that.
I shouldn't worry. So I should trust the policemen that could not give me result for the past 3 months, Officer Ken. I should trust police that could not give me result for the past 3 months.
Obinna was like a brother to me too. So I understand how you feel.
You don't know how I feel, Officer Ken. You don't know anything. Don't understand that at all. Don't tell me that nonsense. You don't know how I feel.
Baby,
Leave me alone.
Look, you just have to stop this, all right? What's that? Are you pretending or what? Baby.
Leave me alone, Joe.
What is it?
I'm not happy. Yes, I'm just not happy.
Baby, obviously you are not happy. Okay, talk to me. All right? Or do you want us to go to my place and talk about it?
I don't want. Achorom, I don't want.
So tell me, what is it? Talk to me, I'm your boyfriend. What is it?
See, my father is making me angry. My sister is making me sad. And you too. All of you are just making me angry. I am tired.
Me too?
Yes.
How?
How? Okay, let me tell you. Odile, look at my skin. It's not glowing. It's not glowing anymore. What is happening? Just take a look at me, looking tattered all the time, and I have you. Look at my wayeki just there. Everything is stagnant. Why?
Baby, I understand. I understand what you're talking about. I understand how you feel. But I want you to understand me now. I'm still pressing. Baby, I am pressing. Listen to me. I am expecting a very huge drop. Baby, immediately what I am expecting drops. Believe you me, everywhere goes soft. You will be more than fine, trust me.
Odili, wait. You're pressing. What are you pressing, Odili?
Oh, okay. Nothing, baby. Forget about it. Nothing. Do not mind me, please.
Wait, Odili. Don't tell me you're doing Yahoo now.
Eh? Yahoo? Me? No, God forbid me do Yahoo for what now? No. When I said I'm pressing, what I meant was that I'm pressing forward, all right? I'm pressing towards a better future. I am pressing very hard to break through. Okay? But that reminds me, what about your uncle? How far with him?
Uncle Jay.
Yes.
I don't understand Uncle Jay anymore. Do you know that whenever I called Uncle Jay will promise to call me back, but he will not. Uncle Jay has abandoned us. I don't understand him anymore. I'm tired.
Baby, you just have to calm down, okay? Don't get yourself worked up. I'm here for you, all right? I'm expecting a huge click, all right? Once it clicks, I can even pay the WAEC chairman to give you the result. No stress, okay?
You told me the same thing last month. I don't believe you.
That was last month, my love. Last month is gone. I am saying this to you here and now. All right? Trust me. Once it clicks, everywhere goes soft.
Leave me, Joe.
Come here now. Smile for me. Now what?
Leave me alone.
Come here, Osio.
You think I'm playing with you?
Don't do this. I have promised
No, that's
to give you
what
your money. I will give you your money.
Why are you collecting
See, listen, don't do
I will shut on you.
Listen, I'm owing you.
Sit down, forget me.
Why are you doing this?
I will still come back to collect more. I will still come back to collect more.
Sorry. What's going on?
This man is owing me for the past 1 month now. That is what is going on.
Okay.
Why are you embarrassed? Why are you embarrassed?
Sorry. How much is the money?
20,000 naira for the past 1 month. And this money belongs to my customers. Yes.
Oh, okay. But now that you're living with his goods, how will he pay you back?
As if I care. I told him he must pay me that money.
Okay, hold on. Let him have his goods.
Without giving me the money?
Just let him.
And go before me. No, not crying now. No, I want to go here.
You are embarrassing me. Sorry. What do you want to do?
No, it's okay. It's safe. You can give me back the money. But I'm just drop this.
Hold on, I'll pay you. Don't worry.
It's okay. I will see.
You will pay?
I'll give it. It's okay.
Look at money. This money belongs to other people like you who are contributing money. You are busy collecting money, but you cannot pay. I don't matter. I am not going to recount this money because I know it is true. It is complete. Children, to go get down. Why not? If not for this woman, nonsense. Take it.
For trouble just because I'm
Well, sit down, William.
you are looking for trouble.
It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. I want to buy a photo. Wait.
How long has your mom been in the hospital?
Over a month. I mean, we've been looking for money to get the proper treatment started. The surgery, but to no avail. Even the money I collected from the thrift collector is not enough.
A whole month. That's a long time. I need you to calm down, okay? Everything will be fine. Alright?
I hope so too.
So when are you going to the hospital?
Well, maybe much later in the day.
Okay. I'll go with you to the hospital then.
Huh?
What is huh? What did I say wrong? Did I speak Spanish? What is wrong with going to the hospital to see your mom with you?
Nothing. I was just wondering.
That is not wondering. Your countenance said something different.
Alright.
Alright.
No, they don't make it.
It's okay. Everything will be fine. Alright? Papa, Mama, I'll have to take my leave now, okay? Mama, I need you to take good care of yourself. And please get well soon. Okay? I'll come again to see you.
Thank you so much, my daughter. God will bless you all.
God bless you too.
Thank you very much, my daughter. God bless you.
It's okay, Papa. Alright. So I'll come again like I said. Take care of you, Mama. Alright.
Yeah.
I need you to calm down and stay strong. Everything will be fine. All we need to do now is put Mama in prayers. Please.
Baby, listen, I don't need prayers. I need money. I need help.
Okay, I'll talk to my brother in the city to see if there's anything he can do for us. Okay?
Listen, you do not need to do all that. You have tried for us already. Alright? Anyways, I'll see one of my friends and see if he can do anything for me.
And I will still talk to my brother to see if there is anything he can do for us. We need all the money we can get. They say money is never too much. Okay?
You just stop.
I would not stop. This is your mother we're talking about. Huh?
You know you're awesome, right?
I always say, I know.
Thank you very much, Mama.
You're welcome, Papa.
Thank God.
I've been coming all this while. My brother, what kind of business are you running that I don't know of? Yeah.
Business?
Yes.
I'm not running any business. It's in Kechio. She has been on admission for some time now.
Hey! Kichi?
Yes.
How is she doing?
Well, what else can I say if not thank God? The doctor needs money to begin her chemo treatment.
Oh. Chey! And all the money Mike sent to me have been exhausted. But don't worry. I will see what I can do when he comes tomorrow.
Thank you. God bless you. When is Mike coming back to Nigeria?
Oh. Mike has been in Nigeria for the past 2 weeks.
Really?
Yes, he's now residing in the city of Asaba. You know, he's coming with his wife to be. You know, he has not married.
Oh, really?
Yes. He's coming to inspect the house he's building in the village.
Mike is building a house?
Mike is not just building a house. He's building a mansion.
Wow. That's a good news.
My brother, you need to see this house he's building.
I must see it.
You must see it. I will take you down there to see it.
I must see it.
Well, you know he's the true son of his father.
I know.
Just like me.
I know. Sorry, I don't know. Can I get you something?
No, not really. No, don't worry. I'm all right.
So Mike is back in town and he could not come to see me.
The father said he lives in Asaba now.
and will come to the village tomorrow to supervise his building project.
Asaba. Saba, that is just an hour drive from here. And Mike couldn't come to see me. Oh, I know about the crazy now.
Nkechi?
Mama?
Mba.
Mama, okay?
Oh, yeah. Doctor. Mama, doctor, yeah. Mba, amen. What am I?
Doctor, what could make her jerk like that?
Episodes like that will always happen until she begins her chemo treatment, which needs to be done urgently if we don't want to lose her. She's better now.
Thank you.
Doctor, is she okay now?
Chemo treatment. What do I do to know about chemo treatment?
What's the problem?
Children have been playing big uncle for. Now I see them and just dodge. Eh? Uwu is a bastard. Poverty is a case and a disease at the same time. Imagine. What will I do? I promised them that I will pay their WAEC. Their WAEC fees. I see them now and I dodge. I'm sure they are going to my house. Mike, I beg. Pick my call, Bikonu. Should I go to the house or the shop? No. Let me just go to the bar and relax there, maybe. But they may come there and see me.
She had a sub for you, you the sub for me. When level red, we dey watch our back. Now they buy luck, you dey buy data. Mona gine chakala, waiting for the beats. Now the color don't know. People let go away. I look at the mansion everywhere.
Hey, uncle. Hey, uncle.
Hi.
I greet you, sir.
How you doing?
I'm okay.
Do you know I've been to the house?
Oh.
I did not see you there. And then I passed in front of your shop. It was under lock and key. I now recall that I have once seen you in this place with your friend Mike. So I said, let me come and check if I will still see you here. And here you are.
I asked him, uncle.
Yes, so.
So, how are my cousins?
They are there. They are just, the problem is too much. They are just disturbing me, pressurizing me. Go and see Uncle JJ now. He has made a promise that he was going to pay our money. I said, Uncle JJ, you don't know if he has money. Papa, go and see him. He said he was going to pay for the WAEC exams. I said, God, okay, no wahala. Let me, registration is ongoing. It will be closing next month. And you know how it is with all these school authorities. They will just say something and they want the parents and the guardians of the students to just provide it once. No enough time for them to allow us to also and pay this money. I'm not happy with JJ.
I know. They don't know what people are passing.
Barman! Who is there? Give me one bar. I need beer. Give me one beer. Cold one. JJ Bobo. Give me stout. Cold one. Very cold. JJ.
Uncle, like we were saying, these people don't know what people are passing through.
Don't mind
See me,
them.
I'm here thinking about how to raise 500,000 to pay my mother's hospital.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you, it's that serious.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you, it's that serious, Uncle.
Gigi, you that I know you have good friends around you. You have friends all over. Not just friends, friends with good hearts who can help you. Gigi, how far? Because after taking this beer and I still return back to the house, there won't be peace for me. You know how your cousins are. They will keep disturbing me.
Anyway, Uncle, I understand, but before the end of the month, something will happen.
Hey! JJ Bobo!
At least I will take my mom to a very good hospital and then pay their WAEC fees.
You're right, it's okay. I even want you to take her to a very good hospital where they can take good and proper care of her. Yes, so. Hey! She deserves it. And you know when these girls are married now, it is you and I that will enjoy the bride price, JJ.
That's why I'm doing everything possible to put them through good education. You know, so that they will come out and be useful to all of us and to the society at large.
Yes, you are right. Hey, so sad they just brought this drink now. I have a meeting to catch up with.
No,
and I'm rolling down.
No, finish the drink. Hey. It doesn't kill. Finish it.
JJ Bobo. JJ Bobo.
Hello?
GG.
No. Okay, let me call you back then. Can't even call back, sir.
JJ, it's good to see you. Hey.
Please, my friend, you are like a brother to me. And my son and your son are best of friends. Want me to take my wife to the hospital? She is sick. Help me. I beg of you.
My friend, well, there's no saying that you're best of friends. As you said, our sons are best of friends too. I'm aware that your wife is very sick. I need this money for her treatment. But truth is that I don't have money. How? I don't have. I know you will not believe me, but that is just the truth. I don't have it. I know you will not believe me, but that is just the truth. I don't have it.
It's your careful. The money is just 150,000 naira. I know you have this money. Help me. Please. I beg of you. To save life. My wife's life.
I know, but I don't have it. My son asked me to use all the money I have in my account to drop trips of sounds for him at the site. The building site precisely. And what I did, he promised to pay me back as soon as he returns home. But he has not come. I don't have money on me now. In fact, I'm cashless. I don't have. I would have given to you, honestly speaking. I know you will not believe me, but take it as the truth from me. I don't have it.
What will I do now? Ihu atami ego n'isi. Ogene tinka. Okafo.
I don't have what I give it to you can answer. Believe you me, I don't have it. Truly speaking, from the bottom of my heart, I don't have.
Okay. No. I don't trust this womanizer. He has the money, but he refused to give me a loan. Why is he this heartless? Eh? This is a man I once paid his son's school fees in my good old days, when he was wretchedly poor, because he is driving a jeep now. And he strongly said it to my face that he does not have even 50,000 naira to pay for my wife's medication. Why? Why? Eh? This is why you don't have to put your trust on people who you once rendered help. Chai! Ichie Amade, you have put me in the state of Amaikeme. I don't know what to do. Hi, but this is painful. Oh. What do I do? Oh my God. Hi.
Share this up for you, you this up for me. One level red, we dey watch our back. Now they buy luck, you dey buy data. Monagine chakala, waiting for the beat. Now the color don't know. Ibule go away, I look at the mansion everywhere. Joy one man.
Hey! Timo! My... Okay. Michael!
Okay, I'm back, man. One can work as in other Zana. One can work as in other Zana by keep us by
bodyguards.
Can really go. Hey, good to see you, man. See you, dog. Good to see you.
So you came back without looking for me. No. Okay, don't
talk like that. I lost your contact. I lost your contact, man. But I'm back now. Come inside, come inside.
You can do anything for the money.
One more. My Koliko. But this one you're talking about bodyguards. On to VVIP in Africa.
You know, you never can tell who's jealous of your progress. Where's the boy now? Every big boy has to secure himself. And they not moves a man out.
I can't go in Abreba.
You see what that guy is carrying.
You go one, I bet. When I like it, one day we are like brothers, possible. But I will go around to Africa.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Where is Udoka now? Where are the drinks?
Mike. Now, Mike for president. Mike for president. The only talk and do billionaire in the whole village.
So, Gerard, I didn't know you were still in this village. I thought you have traveled.
You're gonna have so in this village, my mother's sickness is taking a lot from me, so I'm here.
I didn't know Mama is still sick.
Very sorry.
How will you know when you abandoned us?
I told you I lost your contact. We get
abandoned us one
So Mike, when did you return?
I've been around for like 2 weeks now.
2 weeks? Mike, you were not a bad man. What happened? Because you have made money and I have forgot me for a whole 2 weeks.
It's not my fault. The moment you get rich, you become very busy. Yes, very, very busy. Meetings with lawyers, bank managers, meetings with project supervisors and all that. You know, I'm building a lot of houses.
I heard it, oh.
Mike.
You are the reigning man. You everywhere building, throwing building like you're throwing.
Mike for president.
Odogu. My brother, Obobo and Amoto Bozu.
I tell you.
Well, I'm not to go.
How are you doing? I'm enjoying.
How far now?
Okay, look at me. Don't mind me, brother. I've been busy making arrangements for the burial. This is stressful. Sorry, my brother. 4 clocks now. Police couldn't get the killer. Such is life.
Very sorry, my brother.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. I just pray Sandra could wake up from coma. You have better information for all this nonsense.
Huh? Sandra is in coma.
Yes, Sandra. His fiancée. She was shot too.
She's in coma.
She's in coma.
I didn't even know. I didn't even know there was another person that day they shot him. Nah, you know the Alatamatophia. We from Chukwu. Expose that man that
Mike, I never knew you were around.
I've been around for almost 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
But I've been very busy.
What is really going on? Why do I keep having this feeling that Gerard will disappoint me? Why am I even hoping so much on him? If my children do not sit for the WAEC exam, I will be a laughingstock in this village. Uju Amaka, my daughter, will be very mad at me. Because this will be her second time of skipping exam. I am so confused. Or should I go and meet Okoro, our age grade secretary, to loan me some money? And then if Gerard gives me the WAEC money, I can then refund it back to him. But what if Gerard disappoints me? No, I shouldn't think negative. Let me meet with him first. Where are these children?
Sandra is still alive. She knows everything. If she ever gets out of coma, she'll implicate me. I need to stop her now.
I'm fine. Just some business thoughts. I'm fine.
Really?
Yep.
You know, I was thinking about the village. Did everything go well?
Nothing I cannot handle.
Baby, I want to tell you something.
Go ahead.
I want to go see my sister and then stay some days with her. Eunice will not get saw her.
A few days, huh?
Few days.
Alright. Few days.
Maybe few days, not like forever.
Few days.
Sure, you're fine.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Okoro, please. I am begging you. Help me with this money. I'm in dire need of the money, please. I promise to pay back. Huh? As soon as money gets into my hand, I will pay you now. I will. Please.
Okay. Not that I don't want to help you. I want to help you. You are my friend. Just that 60,000 naira is a very big money to give to you now. Are you sure you will pay me back? And you know I don't like stories. I don't need stories.
Okoro, I am assuring you that I will pay you back. I have an assurance that money will get into my hand. And as soon as my friend gives me that money, I will pay you. There won't be any stories, please.
I hear you. Just that the tune used in borrowing money is not the exact one used in paying it back. I don't want us to have issues over this matter.
Okoro, you and I will not have issues. I would have gone elsewhere, but I chose to come to you because I know I can always count on you. You can't turn me down now, please. Help me with the money, Biko. Oh?
No, it's okay. But how long would it take you to pay me this money? You know this money is not my personal money. It's the 8th grade money. As a treasurer, it's the 8th grade money. You are my friend. How long will it take you to pay me this money back?
I will give you second week of next month. It will not exceed second week of next month. I will pay you.
Second week?
Yes.
Good. I'll give you.
Hi! Okoro! Okoro, you see why you are my friend? You see why I can always count on you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
We are friends. Hey. What are friends for? Yeah, as it stands, let's go to my house now. I'll give you the money.
Okoro?
Yeah.
I will give Thank you very much, Okoro.
Odi, I am sorry. Oh, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Odi now, please. I'm sorry.
Amaka, you are sorry.
Yes.
No, Amaka, you are sorry. When you walked out on me in such an ungrateful manner, you didn't know you were going to be sorry, right?
Odi, that's in the past now. This is present. Oh, Biko, I'm sorry. Forgive me now. Odi now. I'm sorry.
It's all right. I forgive you.
Thank you. Okoma.
Leave me alone. Okoma.
I'm sorry, Joe. How are you now?
I'm not fine.
I thought you said you've forgiven me. It's okay. Hey, that reminds me. What were you doing with Ifunaya?
Ifunaya?
Yes, Ifunaya. My sister Linda told me she saw the both of you.
Oh, that one. I remember. Nothing serious, my dear. She was only asking me to help her beg arrange your cousin brother. Can you imagine that?
Beg her for what?
What else? She said she likes him. But I told her I don't have such time. No, I'm too big for that. Why should I don't have such time. Are you sure?
Are you sure? I'm suspecting you.
Amaka, what's that now?
No, what's it? I just told you what happened, and you are here asking me if I'm sure. Or does it mean you don't trust me anymore? No, if you don't trust me, go ahead, go and find out yourself. No, go and find out yourself.
Come on, I was just joking now.
Expensive joke that was.
Sorry. You're too vexed. It's okay. Come, let's go to my house.
Wait. Did you say your house?
Yes, let's go to my house.
Amaka, plaster no go good for this head though.
I don't understand.
I should follow you to your house. Do you want your father to break my head?
My father, he's not around now. Don't worry, let's go. Nothing will happen to you. There is this maths topic that have been giving me issues. But I know you know how to solve maths. Let's go so that you teach me.
Wait. You want me to follow you and solve a mathematical problem for you? Yes, now. And you are very sure I know maths? Ami, you are funny. Honestly speaking, you are funny. You don't know me too well. Me. Solve maths for you. Me. That failed maths woefully in the secondary school. I should go and solve maths for you.
Odi, you're a liar. I'm a Mugofumana. I know you now.
You
Why
know
are you
me?
lying?
Amaka, you don't know me.
I know you're saying all these things because of my father. I've told you he's not around now. Let's go.
Amaka, if I solve mathematics for you, the kind of knot you will have, is the one that she will draw the eye, nose, mouth, and even ear. I am telling you.
You are lying. You're still
I'm lying.
Come, let's go, Joe.
I should solve maths for you.
Yes, let's go.
Amaka, me.
Stanley.
Mike,
man.
this one you're in my house so early. Hope all is well.
All is well. Forgive me. Sorry for disturbing your sleep. It's obvious you're resting.
Of course I was.
It's just a condolence visit. Me and you're my guy now. Let me come sympathize with my friend.
Thank you very much for this.
It's all right.
Thank you. God will bless you.
Amen.
Thank you so much.
Bro, hand over. Yes. I know that this period you'll be spending a whole lot, preparing for the burial. This is my own contribution. Little contribution.
Mike, all this? God will bless you, Mike. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. This will go a long way,
I know. Planning for a burial, I know what it's.
Thank you so much.
It's all right. If you ever need anything at all I can handle, do let me know.
Of course, I'll reach out to you. Thank you. I will. I sure will. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Obina's fiance.
Yes.
Do you know the hospital she's in? I'd love to pay her a visit. Maybe pay her hospital bills or something.
That's very kind of you. Thank you so much. Well, she's in the hospital very close to Obina's house. Very, very close.
Oh, okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks. It's me. This is serious. Look at this. Wow.
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me? Good. The hospital is close to Obina's house. Yes, that hospital there with the red signboard, very close to Obina's house. Alright, do it fast, make it clean. Okay? Get it done before I get back. I'm in the village. I'll soon be back. Get it done now.
As you see me at the best, yo, somebody owe me, yo.
Please, I'm coming.
Madam, time don dey go. May you come out dey go now.
Please take me to a bar down there. Please, down the road.
Nah, you go add join my money now.
No worry, I'll pay you. No vex. Just let's go.
You left here about an hour ago.
He came here this morning.
Yes.
Why now? Eh? And you served him drinks. Bros, this is just 10 o'clock in the morning.
He requested just for a bottle and I was...
And what? Eh? Bros, why are you doing this to me now? Eh? You know, Stanley, a bottle can turn his brain. Okay, now tell me, where will I find him? Because he's not picking up his calls. Where can I find him?
You said he's not in his house and he's not picking his calls.
Yes.
Then check Ibe's house or Gerard's. Go to their houses.
Oh, okay. Let me just check. Thank you.
See this move. I'm not going to sell my beer. Now you go come drink them. Move.
Hey God, what's this? Wait, stop, Abeg, stop. Come back, please. I've seen him. Is there, please? Baby, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this?
Leave me alone. I want to relax.
Baby, please, let's go home.
Go. No, please. I am trying to relax.
Please come and help me, please.
No Canada.
Baby, please don't do
no
like this.
Hope.
Baby, please, you can't do like this now.
I am trying to relax. Leave me alone. No Canada. No Obina. Listen, hold on. Listen, I am not drunk. I know what I'm doing.
I know.
You don't understand. Listen. I'm trying to relax. Hold on. A day without alcohol is useless. Hold on. A day without alcohol is useless. My drink, hold on.
Don't worry, okay.
My bottle of drink. My drink is there. Canada. Obina. Canada.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you? I'm fine. Oh, I see. Please, I want to see Sandra.
Who is Sandra?
The lady that was admitted here.
Oh, the one that was shot?
Yeah.
Take this way, straight down. By your right, you see a female road. That's where she is.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah?
Let's see in my office.
So, doctor, where can we go home?
So, not now. Until she's fully recovered. Okay. Let me show you something. Intuition, okay? This is what
Thank you. But who are you, please?
I'm actually walking back. My boss sent me here. Please take care of her. Okay?
Back.
Baby, please, you have to eat something. Just manage it.
I'm not hungry.
Baby, don't tell me you're not hungry. Don't tell me that. I mean, look at you. You need to eat something, please. Just manage it anyhow, please. Just.
I've told you, I am not hungry.
Baby, why are you doing this to me? How long will you keep drinking yourself to stupor like this? I mean, baby, this is not the end of the world for you. Please.
Look at me. I am dead already.
No.
Nothing is breathing in me anymore.
I reject it for you. It's not your portion in Jesus' name, amen. It's not your portion, baby. What is this? Baby, please. Baby. Your brother's girlfriend has opened her eyes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You mean she opened her eyes?
Yes.
I'm going to use it. That means she can identify the killer of my brother. The guy that shot my brother, she can identify them. I'm going to use it. No, I'm coming. I'm coming.
God, please help us, please.
One assignment. One simple assignment you will carry out.
I am sorry, boss.
Be sorry for yourself.
Boss, I promise it won't happen again.
Of course it will not. I never asked for your apology. It's a simple question. Why is she still alive?
Do you know who could have done this? I mean, all of this. Sandra, who killed Obina?
Who would want you dead?
I don't know.
Please, we need to take her out of here as soon as possible. Please.
What? Who could have done this to you? Who could have done this? Oh, I mean, all of this. Who killed Obina?
The face is very strange. I don't think I have seen him before. But I heard Obina call him Mike.
Mike?
Go finish the job.
Okay, boss.
Make it clean.
Yes, boss.
And quick. Clean up this mess.
Hey, boss.
He is so mean. Oh, yeah, Imana, oh, yeah, anything for the money. Oh, yeah, they are friends who are friends.
Hello, sweet angel.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Mind if I give you a ride?
Thank you very much, but I'm almost home.
Wait. Slow down. Beautiful woman like you can't be trekking under the sun. It's quite hot. Let me give you a ride, please.
Like I said, I'm almost home. I know it's hot. Moreover, walking is exercise. Thanks.
Why are you following me?
Sorry,
My name is Amanda.
Beautiful name. Can I get your number?
No.